Well, here's one for today. Look at that beastie. Running on the finest chip shop oil. Doesn't she look meanie? What a beautiful car. Yep, impressed. Hang on, what's that? You cleaning the cups? He's cleaning the cups. That means I've got to make a cup of tea. That's what that means.
Mate, I thought there was botulism in the bottom of yours, so I thought I'd better wash it.
Botulism?
Yeah.
Well, that's how I'm boosting my immunity. I won't get
I was
COVID.
going to say, there's no way you'll get COVID, mate, because whatever was in the bottom of that cup was way worse.
Well, she's up on the dyno, and we're going to do a few runs in a few different settings. I love this car, you know. There you go. What's the difference between the red line and the other lines?
About 20 brake horsepower.
Yeah, but what is the actual switch of the car?
Oh, the switch itself?
Yeah.
So the switch is an on and off switch basically for a adjustment on the fuel pump.
Brilliant.
You turn the switch off and then it just runs normal fuel pressure.
Yeah.
With the switch turned on, it changes the impedance and makes the fuel pump think there isn't as much fuel as there should be, so it adds more fuel.
Got ya. Yeah. Well, 160 brake.
There's still no slouch issue.
No. Lots of torque.